Santa Jaws!
Read by Teacher Mike. Fatcatbooks.
Santa Jaws by Mark Spearin and Sophie Corrigan. Deep beneath the deep blue sea, it's almost Christmas Eve. But why do all the fish look so scared? Mummy, I'm scared. It's okay, it's gone now.
I can't believe it was inside. It was so scary. There was a shark in the shopping centre.
Do you guys see that? There was a shark in the shopping centre. And a sneaky shark named Shelley had something festive up her sleeve. Hee hee hee, this is going to be great. What has Shelley bought? She's bought herself a Santa hat from the Deep Sea Christmas store. What is she planning to do? She then made herself a jolly sign to hang on her front door. Welcome to Santa's grotto. Little fishes, please come in and meet the real-life Santa Claus. It's really, really him. She wants the fish to believe Santa is inside her home. Now, most of the fish know where Shelley lives and think she's full of tricks. And after looking at the sign, they swim off extra quick. Swim away, everyone! Why do the fish swim away?
Swim away, everyone! Shelley's pretending to be Santa. She just wants to eat us.
They all think that Shelley just wants to eat them. But one day, through the tangled weeds, a squid named Sid passed by. And when he read that jolly sign, he gave a happy cry. Oh!
Well, I've never hung a Christmas star or lit a candy cane. I've never built a snowman, which seems an awful shame. But today's my lucky day. Jolly O isn't G. For guess who meets Santa Claus? Yes, me, yes, me, yes,
me. Sid the squid was very excited to meet Santa Claus. So, that excited squid named Sid gave the driftwood door a knock.
Knock, knock, knock.
And when it swished right open, whoosh, it gave him quite a shock. Ooh! Santa's grotto was very dark. Come in, called a kindly voice. I'm here, right at the back. So swim a little closer. I've got presents in my sack. Closer inside, there were some decorations. There was tinsel at the top, and a star, and a stocking on the wall, and a snowman at the back. Even farther inside, there was a shadow. A pointy shadow of a shark. I've got presents in my sack, called the shadow. Ooh, presents! Squealed little Sid. I'm happy as a clam. Who's going to meet Santa Claus? I am. But there in the darkness was all quite as it seemed. The little clams don't seem happy at all. They look very scared. And they're running away. Don't go any closer! Run away! Run away! When little Sid swam closer, he gave a squid-like scream. Oh! Why is your skin all grey and shiny? And where are your fur-trimmed boots? I'm in my diving suit. said Shelley with a ho ho ho.
But your teeth are sharp and pointy,
Sid spluttered in the dark. I've got presents. I must be Santa Claus.
You're not the real Santa Claus. You're a great, big, sharp-toothed shark.
Dun dun dun. Sid kicked and flipped his tentacles, too scared to stick around. But as he swam to safety, there came a sobbing sound.
Oh, what's that?
I didn't want to eat you, called Shelley through her tears. All I really wanted was to spread some Yuletide cheer.
Oh no, really?
So please, won't you trust me? I'm truly not all bad. And help me give the ocean the best Christmas that it's had. Sid looked into her hopeful eyes and sang, a voice so shrill.
Will I trust you? Will I help you? I will!
Shelley the shark got something for Sid the squid. It's an elf hat. Because Sid the squid is going to be Santa's little helper.
Oh, thank you! I love it!
Then, all across the ocean, presents slowly drifted down. Through icy depths and seaweed growths, right here to Coral Town. Hey kids, come outside! There are lots of presents!
Where are they coming from?
Merry Fishmas! What is pulling Shelley's sleigh? They're not reindeer, it's 4 seahorses and 2 jellyfish. Merry Fishmas! Bellowed Shelley to the cheering crowds below.
Woo! Thank you, Shelley!
While a squid named Sid sang this song, so everyone would know.
I've never hung a Christmas star or lit a candy cane. I've never built a snowman, which seems like quite a shame. And though I've not met Santa Claus, I'm still a lucky squid. For who just met Santa Claus? I did.
Merry Fishmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Ho, ho, ho! My dear little friend, Merry Christmas from the North Pole! Ho, ho, ho! Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, the elves, and I have been hard at work preparing for the big day. I wanted to take a moment to write you a special letter. I've heard amazing things about you this year. The elves have been updating my nice list, and your name always comes up with the most wonderful achievements. I know that sometimes it's not always easy to be patient and nice, especially when things get busy. But every time you lend a helping hand, share a smile, or show kindness, the North Pole lights up with joy. Keep being wonderful, my friend. Here are some fun updates from the North Pole. Rudolph has been practicing his sleigh navigation skills, and let's just say he's mastered the art of flying in perfect circles. Ho 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 ho! The other reindeer are a bit dizzy, but having lots of fun. The elves decided to have a cookie baking contest, and the workshop smells like gingerbread heaven. There were a few flour explosions, but we had lots of laughs. We've been busy reading all of your wonderful letters and making sure that every toy is just perfect. The reindeer are ready and excited for our magical flight, and I can't wait to visit your home. Don't forget to leave some cookies and milk out for me, and maybe a carrot or two for the reindeer. They get very hungry flying all night long. Christmas is not just about the presents under the tree, but about the love and the joy we share. I hope this season fills your heart with warmth and happiness. Keep spreading kindness and laughter, because that's the true spirit of Christmas! Ho, 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 ho! Wishing you a Christmas that's as magical as you are!
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
And Happy New Year! With lots of love, Santa Claus! Ho, 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 ho!
Ho, ho, ho! Do you want to receive a letter and presents from me, Santa Claus? Don't forget to write your letter and send it to me. Otherwise, I won't know what wonderful presents you would like this year. It's easy. You can use my super simple Santa letter templates. I really want to know all about you. There are different templates for children with different writing abilities. Just go to fatcatbooks.uk and tell them Santa sent you to get your letter from me. And don't forget to send one back to me in the North Pole.
Santa! The reindeer have thrown up everywhere, and the workshop is covered in gingerbread crumbs. What's going on?
Oh no! Mrs. Claus has come back from her spa retreat. I better go now. Don't forget to go to fatcatbooks.uk to get your Santa letter. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! See you soon!
Santa!
Make sure your child is reading and spelling accurately with the Fat Cat Phonics program. Make learning phonics easy and fun with the virtual teacher, which allows your child to learn along with me. T, ant. Complete various exercises. Ant. And and read unique stories written by myself, Ant and Fat Cat. An ant is in ink. They're designed to be easily read in the early stages of their reading and will build up your child's confidence. Also, make the end of the lesson revision fun with one of the phonics games. Ant. Download some free lessons now at fatcatbooks.uk. You can play this game too. Just head to fatcatbooks.uk and download this free game. There's also a paid-for version which has more characters and also more levels, so you can learn how to spell. Like how to spell elves.
Get it now. Visit fatcatbooks.uk.